Did you know that the Caribbean is actually a very safe destination for solo female travelers? It's true. Despite common misconceptions, many women explore these islands on their own and have amazing experiences. Of course, like any destination, it's important to be aware of your surroundings and take precautions. But don't let fear hold you back from discovering the magic of the Caribbean. It's time to ditch the stereotypes and embrace the reality. The Caribbean can be a safe and empowering destination for women traveling and enjoying your trip. Meet Maria, a young woman who embarked on a solo trip to Barbados. She had always dreamed of exploring the Caribbean, and finally she decided to take the plunge. With her backpack and a heart full of excitement, she boarded a plane to this tropical paradise. The journey was not just about the destination, but also about discovering herself along the way. Initially apprehensive, she armed herself with knowledge and a positive attitude. Maria spent weeks researching the best travel tips for solo female travelers. She read countless travel guides, watched safety videos, and even joined online forums to connect with other solo travelers. Her preparation gave her the confidence she needed to step out of her comfort zone and embrace the adventure ahead. She chose a reputable guest house in a safe neighborhood, ensuring that her accommodation was both comfortable and secure. The guest house was a charming place with friendly staff who made her feel right at home. It was the perfect base for her to explore the island and return to after a day of adventures. Connected with local guides for excursions, Maria made sure to book tours with reputable companies. She met knowledgeable guides who showed her the hidden gems of Barbados. From historical sites to natural wonders, she experienced the island through the eyes of those who knew it best. These guided tours not only enriched her travel experience but also ensured her safety as she explored unfamiliar territories, and always informed someone of her whereabouts. Maria kept in touch with her family and friends back home, updating them on her daily plans and locations. She also made it a habit to check in with the guest house staff before heading out for the day. This constant communication provided an extra layer of security and peace of mind for both her and her loved ones. Maria's trip was an incredible success. She explored hidden beaches, learned to surf, and snorkeled in the crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean. Each day brought new adventures and unforgettable experiences. The thrill of riding the waves and the serenity of the secluded beaches made her feel more alive than ever. She discovered a newfound love for the ocean and its many wonders, and even participated in a cooking class, where she learned to prepare traditional Caribbean dishes. The local chef taught her the secrets of the island's cuisine, and Maria enjoyed every moment of the hands-on experience. She savored the flavors of the Caribbean and took home recipes that she would cherish forever. Cooking became another way for her to connect with the culture and people of Barbados. Immersing herself in the local culture, Maria attended vibrant festivals, shopped at bustling markets, and danced to the rhythm of Caribbean music. She interacted with locals, tasted exotic fruits, and bought handmade crafts as souvenirs. These cultural experiences enriched her journey and gave her a deeper appreciation for the island's heritage and traditions. Maria's experience is a testament to the fact that with preparation and awareness, solo female travel in the Caribbean can be both safe and empowering. Her journey was not just about seeing new places, but also about personal growth and self-discovery. She returned home with a heart full of memories, a mind enriched with knowledge, and a spirit that was more adventurous than ever. Maria's Caribbean adventure proved that the world is full of possibilities for those who dare to explore it. It's natural to have concerns about safety when traveling solo, especially as a woman. The Caribbean, like any region, has its share of challenges. Crime rates can vary between islands, and cultural perceptions of solo female travelers might differ from what you're accustomed to. It's crucial to research your chosen destination thoroughly and understand the local customs and norms. Being aware of potential risks allows you to take necessary precautions and travel responsibly. Traveling is about discovering new cultures, meeting new people, and creating unforgettable memories. However, being prepared and cautious can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Here are some essential tips to help you stay safe while making the most of your Caribbean adventure. By taking some simple precautions, you can significantly enhance your safety while traveling solo in the Caribbean. Start by researching your destination thoroughly. Look up recent travel advisories, read reviews from other travelers, and familiarize yourself with the local customs and laws. Knowledge is power, and being informed can help you avoid potential pitfalls. Choose your destinations wisely, opting for islands known for their safety record and welcoming atmosphere. Some Caribbean islands are renowned for their hospitality and low crime rates, making them ideal for solo travelers. Consider places like Barbados, the Cayman Islands, and Aruba, which are often praised for their friendly locales and secure environments. Stay aware of your surroundings, especially at night and in unfamiliar areas. It's always a good idea to stick to well-lit, populated places and avoid venturing into isolated areas alone. If you're out after dark, try to travel in groups or use reputable transportation services. Trust your gut feelings. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Connect with locals and fellow travelers, seeking advice and recommendations. Locals can offer invaluable insights into the safest places to visit, eat, and explore. Fellow travelers can share their experiences and tips, helping you navigate your journey more confidently. Building a network of contacts can also provide a sense of security and companionship. Trust your instincts, and don't hesitate to remove yourself from any situation that makes you uncomfortable. Your intuition is a powerful tool, and listening to it can keep you out of harm's way. Whether it's an uneasy feeling about a person or a place, it's better to be safe than sorry. Remember, your safety and well-being are paramount, and it's okay to prioritize them above all else. The Caribbean is a tapestry of vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and warm hospitality. While safety concerns are valid, they shouldn't eclipse the incredible experiences that await you. By being prepared, informed, and aware of your surroundings, you can navigate this tropical paradise with confidence. Remember to research your destinations, choose accommodations wisely, and connect with locals and fellow travelers. Trust your instincts and prioritize your well-being. The Caribbean is ready to welcome you with open arms. Embrace the adventure. Have you experienced the magic of the Caribbean as a solo female traveler? Share your story and inspire others to embrace the adventure. Your insights and experiences can help create a community of empowered travelers. Let's continue the conversation and encourage more women to explore the world, one island at a time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments below. Till next time.